Now we'll demonstrate some advanced training drills. This is called Jim Lim, meaning to make contact and stick. And this is practiced with 2 people. Sifu Jeff Bruflot utilizes the Mantis hooking techniques to pull down the opponent's arm so as to stick and make contact, and then utilizes a spear hand through to the opponent's midsection. This is initially practiced slowly and eventually sped up to develop speed and coordination. The defender is utilizing the upward gua to block against his strikes. Now we will see the demonstration of the wrist lock drill. This is a nice little drill to develop wrist strength and punching power.